for showing up. For some of the new people, this might be, we'll work with you to get you on board with what we do here. So we normally break out the sessions into several categories. Nelu, how's the statistics there? What do you have there, young lady?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay,
absolutely.
Awesome, thank you. So this is a very nice statistic. People are participating into what brought them in to the activity, so thank you very much. If you still want to participate, there you have it. You have the code. Please go to menti.com and let me share the breakout rooms.
So, all right, awesome. Thank you, Nelu. So again, we'll share the link for, especially for people that are new and don't really know how this system works. We have several breakout sessions. Today we have a smaller, cozy group, so we'll determine whether these breakout sessions go or not go. As for the Spanish session, that's what number is that one? Number 3. We're gonna hold off a little bit on that to see if we get more Spanish people, then we'll break them out into group 3. We also have the Agile Basics. So people that come in with Agile for the first time, we actually have a breakout session for that. Right now, I looked around the room, and you guys can help me. Do you see anybody there? Did anybody raise their hand for Agile Basics? I did not see anybody's hand raised. So I'm assuming that session's not gonna run today, okay? Another session that we have is for the advanced users, So that one's gonna be session, what is it? 2.
Why do you keep bothering me?
Okay, and then the last one that we're gonna do right now is one where we've been developing a product. So that way, what are you doing, Leon? Cuatro?
Sí, cuatro.
Cuatro, all right. So for the people that are interested in learning more, we're actually gonna produce a product that we're gonna deliver out to production. This product is specifically for Scrum Masters and Agile coaches so that they can have a tool to work with their teams. And they're actually starting from scratch. They're actually going through the process so that we can deliver something of value. So that's real world situation. And Leon, I believe you're leading that effort, correct? You and Al are gonna.
Well, with a group, we got Ray, we got Al, we got a good group.
Okay, so do we want to divide it into 2 sessions, or do we feel like we need 1 session? I'm gonna leave it open to you guys on that, coaches. What do you guys think?
What was the question again?
Do we need 1 session? Because right now with the smaller team, do we put everyone in 1 session, or do we want to have 1 session with the initiative team and maybe another session maybe with intermediate to advanced? That way they can have a choice.
Yeah, I think the initiative team ought to be a separate session.
Okay, so this is the way it works. If you're interested in the intermediate and advanced, just put a number 2 next to your name, in front of your name. So you're interested in the intermediate or advanced, you're going to put a number 2 in front of your name. If you're interested in this initiative, you're going to go ahead and put a number 4 in front of your name, a number 4 in front of your name. So Victoria, I'm going to hold you accountable. I'm going to try to help. I'm going to see if you can help us here. I would love for you and maybe anybody else you want to try to help with the intermediate and the advanced session. Can you help run that, young lady?
Yes, I can.
All right, awesome. So right now we're going to go ahead and break out into teams. The way it works, again, depending on what number you put in front of your name, that's where we're going to break you out. For the people that do not know how to put their number in front of their name, we are going to walk you through that. We first need to spread out the teams, make sure that they go into their breakout sessions, and then we'll assist you to get you into one of those teams. All right, coaches, are you guys ready? Am I missing something? Omar, do you think you want the Spanish session today, or what are you thinking, sir?
No, I don't. We don't have enough people for the Spanish session today, so I think we can either join the advance or join the product. We can start getting people in the rooms, and then I can help both you and Nelu to get people to rename them and then push them to the other rooms.
All right, all right. So for the advanced people that have been here already a while, please put your number in front of your name so that we can get you in the right room. The only ones that we're looking at right now is 4 or 2. 4 or 2, okay? Nelu, please take care of them by putting them in the room. Get
Yes,
in the
sir.
room.
So we have a number 1. I'm sending you to 2. Coach R will be in the initiative, right?
He will be in the initiative, yes.
Okay. Thank you, everyone who are putting their numbers in front of their names. Thank you.
Hedrich, how you doing, Hedrich? Rocky, nice to see you again. Rocky, so I don't know, D, so I don't know if you guys heard what I said earlier. Did you just come in, Rock? So we've got 2 teams, Rocky. We got the advanced and intermediate team together, and then we got this initiative where we're running a product, we're creating a product. So you got 2 choices of where you want to go right now.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4, okay. Go ahead, do you know how to put your number 4 in front of your name?
I got him. I'll do it.
Can you do that? Can you actually?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow, look at that. He does it for you.
Good morning, Nelu. Hey, Nelu, can you kindly transfer me to number 4, please?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Nelu.
You're welcome. Okay, we have Myra and Omar.
So we're gonna need some help over there with number intermediate and advanced because I don't think they've used the board, or we gotta make sure that they have a board for them.
Fine, but I'll go to advanced. I'll go to intermediate advanced.
Then you can come out if you need to.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing the Jamboards on the private, okay, everyone?
Analytics or something else. But the main point here was to feel that I do have a support group that I can ask questions, and and I'm learning from everybody as I can give some advice as well. That was the great take today. That
All right.
back and forth.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Yeah. Hey, Rick. This is MC. I threw out a question around working with an all-new team. Got some terrific feedback from a lot of different perspectives. Everyone contributed well. I took a bunch of notes, so they're going to allow me to hit the ground running. I accepted an offer, so I'll be starting a new job on the 28th of this month.
All right. Awesome.
Where are you going?
It's an Agile consulting organization called Agile Thought.
Agile.
You gonna be with Agile Thought?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know those good people.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good folks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have friends there.
I'm excited. Looking forward to it.
All right. Awesome.
So does
Congratulations.
Leon knows them.
Thank you.
Woo. All right. Anyone else?
They're based in Tampa.
Yeah, you're gonna be working in Georgia?
Yeah, in the Atlanta office here.
Oh,
Yep,
nice.
they have an Atlanta office, yes.
Awesome. All right. Who's next?
There was also some good links that was shared too with the group.
Okay. That's awesome. Anyone else from the advanced group that wants to share?
We gave homework.
Homework? That's
Yep.
Yeah, there's one topic that it stumped everybody, and that's
Homework is awesome.
how to challenge Marcelo. Give
Right.
a topic that's he can't answer.
Yep.
I need your help on this, Rick.
How to challenge.
It's Stump the Chump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to play a practical joke on him. Like when he comes back, we all have to do something like either ignore him or like not hear him at all, or saying your mic is going wrong.
Grab this background. Everybody ought to grab this background.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Well, how do
I'm
you?
gonna post this background.
How do you do that? Yeah.
And by the way, we should tell people, right? So we took his Kanban 1 class last weekend. And we're all going to come back from Kanban 2 next month. It's awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you. And I
enjoyed taking the class with you, Art, also. You was
I'm glad you enjoyed it. It was fun. It was fun.
So that's a fun group over there? That's a fun group?
It's a good group. It's a good tool. It's a good class.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So Marcelo's ears must be ringing. All right, awesome. Anybody else for the advanced group? All right, if there's nobody else, we're gonna go ahead and move. Do we have a name for this group? Can we come up with a name?
No.
All right, maybe next week. All right, next week, that's a deliverable. Let's get a name. Let's get a name.
Fine.
All right, the product team or product initiative team. What did you learn? Coaches, you cannot talk. What did you get out of it?
Great minds don't always think alike.
I love it. Great.
We learned a new term too, hamburger. I mean,
You
I
didn't
drew
know?
it, but I didn't know what it was called. But
You didn't know about the
I
hamburger menu?
I know. I just called it lines or whatever. Yeah.
Well, no,
But
I don't know what the hamburger thing is unless
Yeah, what is the hamburger
I'm
thing?
hungry.
Very. I had it on one of my prototype drawings.
Yep.
Which is and then I got the right name thanks to Coach Leon and gave us a little background on it. So I learned that today.
Yep. So tell us what it is, because maybe somebody else doesn't know.
I can show you a picture. It's these little buttons up here.
Oh my God.
So in mobile, especially if you have one of those responsive websites, when you go to a mobile size, the menu turns into 3 little lines in the upper left-hand corner, and that's
Right.
the hamburger menu that gives you the rest of your options.
Yeah.
Everybody sees the lines and they know what it does, but it actually has a name.
That's it.
And it was designed by Xerox in 1981?
Oh, wow. Saba for
85.
No, you were right. 81 and then got popular in 85, I think. That's what Leon said, I think. Yeah, something like that.
All right.
Oh,
Awesome.
wow. I didn't know that. So I learned something new today. Let me add that.
Thank you, Leon. That's what I learned today, too.
Yeah, that's what you're right. And I learned about a new prototyping tool from Mike. Was it Mike, right?
Yeah.
He used Adello. I was like, oh, cool, another tool.
Not Adele the singer. Not Adele the singer. Did not make it.
Okay. Yeah, that's a cool prototyping tool. So that was good stuff.
Awesome.
Oh, I just called to let you know. Oh, sorry.
Don't sing, Joe. Thank you. Just
Anybody else from the product team? Any other learnings?
How do you spell that that prototyping tool? I can't spell it just like Adele.
I think it's ADELO, something like that.
It's Adello?
Yeah, there you
Okay.
go. It's in the chat. Leon had it in the chat.
All right. Thank you.
The exciting thing, Rick, is that we have 3 offerings to present to you next week for you to take a look at and see, 3 completely different offerings for you to look at and see what you like from each of them.
Awesome. Can I record that session?
Sure.
Yeah.
Because I might want my stakeholders here, all my stakeholders here to also maybe give me some feedback, go back to my group. Is that okay?
Sure. Absolutely.
All right. So guys, be prepared to be videotaped. Uh-oh. I don't know. Is that putting pressure on the team? Is that
Gotta do my...
they're a little nervous? Huh?
Is that a thing? It's not called videotaped anymore.
I was going to say, is this videotape? They still do that?
Let's go to the videotape.
Right?
Wait, let me pull up my VCR.
Ricky still has 8 tracks.
How old are you, Rick? How old are you?
Ricky is 60. He is 60. He is 60.
Hey guys.
60 años.
He's a beta man.
Rick, do not. I'm gonna mute you guys. Mute everybody. So again, I hope you had a good time. Again, I went from one group to the other. That was really nice. The engagement was high. Like I saw everyone, participating. So that's really nice. Like I told you before, it's all community here. We're all working together. Whether we have some days where we have fewer people, that doesn't really matter to us. As long as we're getting value and we care about the people around us and we keep growing as a group, right? not just growing numbers, but growing also mentally, right? So I'm seeing a lot of people expand their skill sets. I can remember 6 months ago? That's a long time, guys. Is that the number? Wow. I'm terrified to even think that far.
Going on 7 months.
Yeah, that's a long time. But I can recall when you first came in. And now I see what you're doing. I see you mentoring others. And I see you even taking over sessions. So you guys are really, really doing well. You got to keep it up. It's that synergy. Now, how do we do that? We do that by either going to the chat channel, making sure you promote, making sure you add other people to this group. We want to keep helping other people in the community. Please do not lose track of that. How do you reach out? Let's do a quick snapshot here. We take a quick picture. So I want to see who from the group do we want to actually maybe give us a symbol. Who's been here? Let me see. Joe, I'm going to pick on you, Joe. Joe, give us something on what do you want the team to reflect? What do you want the team to reflect? You give us something.
Let me think about this. I want to say like energy, like just the sense of accomplishment that we really did a good job coming together, talking about new topics. So yeah.
Love it. So again, he said,
and no more of this, okay? Not this.
Where are you at? Victoria?
Yeah, he does that all the time, not that.
We're gonna do a thumbs up and a foot.
Oh wow!
How did feet get involved?
I don't know.
It's Saturday morning. You don't want to see my fuzzy slippers.
We hit this ground running, so.
So please turn on your video cameras. I see some of us are not completely on. Mike, I would love to see your face for a little while so we can.
Mike's on his phone.
Oh, he's on his phone. What a shame. So again, make sure you put out whatever symbol you want to put out to make sure that you have that. And I'm about to snap, and I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, go. So make sure, again, you have your pose. So again, what'd you say, Joe? Energy? Talk to us.
Energy, positiveness.
Energy. Let me think of when I think of energy. Okay, I've got my own thing, okay?